Hello friends, so today I'm going to introduce you with this planet humidifier. I purchased this humidifier from Amazon at just $6.99 or something. It contains a scent bottle with its wooden stand and a cable, C-type cable. And it also contains a wick that we used with a humidifier. So those who don't know about humidifier, so I'm gonna tell you what it is. So the basic function of this humidifier is to provide moisture to the air around you, around your room, wherever you install it. I purchased this planet humidifier from Amazon, as I already told you before. So if you like it, then grab it from Amazon. It looks elegant and its quality is also good, and it functions well as compared to other humidifiers in the market. And winter is coming, so this can be especially very helpful in winter when the weather and indoor heating system can make the air dry and dry out your eyes, nose, lips and skin. So this is a very good gadget that adds moisture to the atmosphere around you. However, overusing humidifiers can potentially worsen respiratory problems. It's important to know how to use them correctly. Humidity acts as a natural moisturizing agent that can relieve dryness. For this reason, humidifiers are often used for relieving dry skin, sinus congestion, headache, dry throat, noise irritation, blood noses, irritated vocal cords, dry cough, cracked lips. You may be prone to these discomforts when the air in your home is dry. So this is especially common during winter months or when an air conditioner is being used during the summer season. Adding humidity to the air may be beneficial, but too much humidity can cause health issues. High humidity level can worsen respiratory problems and create uncomfortable dampness in the air. This can encourage the growth of dust mites, mildew, mold, harmful bacteria. Mayo Clinic recommends that humidity stay between 30 and 50%. A hygrometer can determine how much humidity is in your home. Some central humidifiers come equipped with hydrometers, but you can also find them at hardware stores. So now I'm going to add a glass of water. With 2 to 3 drops of this scent. So here we go. Now I can start this humidifier through my laptop using its C-type cable. There are two buttons. One is for changing its light color. It contains 3 different light modes and 2 modes for humidifier for providing humidity. at different level. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video then please hit the bell icon below and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you once again.